Hello and welcome to Double Dot Animation Training School. And take a look. Now it is fixed. That tiny bit of rotation that we added fixed the whole thing. Just take a look a few more times. Now also for the rotation, as we can see over here, in order to avoid any misbehavior or bugs, I'll add another layer. Just like that. And it's done.